Welcome back, children. So, here we are back with Standard 12th Chemistry by Sujata Miss, Fatima Convent High School. Unit 2 Solutions. Now, you have already seen the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. If it is in ml, that is the volume is in ml, then we have to multiply over here, that is moles of solute into 1000. Example 2.2, calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml solution. Moles of NaOH is equal to 5 gram, which is given in the question, that is grams of NaOH, divided by its molecular mass, that is 40 gram per mole. On calculating, we get 0.125 mole. Volume of solution in liters is equal to 450 ml upon 1000. The value is given in milliliter, that is ml. 450 ml is given, dividing by 1000 we get the value in liters. So here we have molarity is equal to moles upon volume. So 0.125 mole upon 450, and as the value is in ml, we multiply the numerator by 1000. So on calculating, we get 0.278 molar is equal to 0.278 mole per liter, or equal to 0.278 mole per decimeter cube. Now, instead of calculating moles and then molarity, directly you can use the formula molarity is equal to mass of the solute, which is in gram, upon the molecular mass, which will be of the solute, into volume of solution. If it is in liter, then you have to write down the value, and if it is in ml, then you have to multiply the numerator by 1000 and convert the solution into liter. So here this is how you can calculate molarity. The formula for molality is equal to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Example 2.3, calculate molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid CH3COOH in 75 gram of benzene solution. Molar mass of ethanoic acid, that is C2H4O2, is equal to 12 into 2, where 2 are the number of atoms of carbon, plus 1 into 4 atomic mass of hydrogen into 4 atoms of hydrogen, plus 16 into 2 for oxygen. On calculating, we get 60 gram per mole. Now moles of C2H4O2 is equal to 2.5 gram, which is given in the question, divided by 60 gram per mole, which we have calculated, is equal to 0.0417 mole. Mass of benzene in kg. Mass of benzene is given in gram, so we are converting it into kg. So here we have 75 gram upon 1000 gram per kg, that is 75 upon 1000 is equal to 75 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg. Molality of C2H4O2 is equal to moles of C2H4O2 upon kg of benzene. Now here the mass of solvent is in kg. So if the value is given in gram, then you can directly multiply in the numerator with 1000. So here we have 0.0417 into 1000 upon 75. On calculating, we get 0.556 mole per kg. Homework: in text questions 2.1 to 2.5. You have to solve this in your notebook, and if you are not able to solve them or any of them, you have to message me and I will solve it for you in the next video. Thank you.